An exciting part of the selection process when I'm working with my clients or builders is of course putting all of the finishes together. In this case, it's our house. It's the house that we're going to be living in, and it therefore is very personal. I'm putting together the colour scheme and we've got some key items already in place. I know I've got the external tile, I've got the beautiful breeze block, which is an important part of our home. Remember that I'm creating a Palm Springs inspired home. And in my case, our Palm Springs inspired home is 600 metres from the beach, so it's going to have a coastal twang. Now, I've got quite a white colour scheme. I've already been playing with the very white walls. I know I've got a roof colour, so you can see there just how important that colour on the front door is. Now, we've got the roof colour and I've already selected my wall colour, which is ghosting. It just works so well outside after doing some swatches. I now need to pick the right yellow to put against this. I've got these yellows that I do love, but I've also got the Colorsmith tool. In this case, I want to play with a few different yellows. This yellow just keeps catching my eye, and because I'm doing a coastal take on that Palm Springs style, what's more Australian and coastal than a beautiful frangipani? So I'm actually also going to use the tool and scan right inside the flower to get that deep yellow. Sandra and I have a great art collection. One of these artworks is quite strong and we've narrowed it down to what I think we'd like to put in the entry foyer. So I'm going to pick up that colour as well to give me another option to get the perfect yellow. So place that on top of the colour that you want. Now on your phone, click scan colour. So I've got my first yellow. Now I'm going to have a go at the frangipani. Now all I have to do is order the swatches online and I'm going to have the perfect yellow for my Palm Springs inspired renovation.